Hey, what's up, guys? I hope you guys are having an awesome day. It's your boy Stan out here. I purchased a few shoes, and there's a few other things that I have in the works right there that I'm actually going to be showcasing to you guys fairly shortly once I reverse the screen onto the table right there. So that is pretty much what the purpose of this video is about. It's not going to be any reviews of any product of any sort, but it's actually what's going to be coming down the pike. I have a shoe that I really want to do a thorough review on and know exactly what you guys think of this shoe. It's a pretty iconic shoe made by Nike that's going to be in this video as well. And the other two shoes are pretty much two of the shoes are actually Nikes, and one is actually a pair of Puma X-rays. But all these shoes I purchased open box, either at the Nike outlet or Puma outlet at the local strip mall where I was. And also I'm gonna actually showcase to you guys what happened to my water bottle. It actually started to show some discoloration. I don't know if I can showcase that in any way, shape, or form. It might be time for me to reinvest in a new water bottle. I know there's this Stanley cup thingy going around. I don't want any of those, but I do want a Hydro Peak water bottle again. That's my plan, is to get my hands on another one because I don't like what's happening with that. And also I have a pretty cool little gadget that I'll be showing you guys as well. Let's get into it then and showcase to you guys pretty much. This right here is an auto face tracking. It's a magic snapshot. This review will be coming up over the weekend about how to use this and the unboxing and what I think of it in a nutshell. So that's pretty much that for that particular product. But however, my water bottle here that I was talking about, as you could see, it has some discoloration going on the side of it right there. I put it in the dishwasher and this is what happened to it. So I don't really like it because it looks like it has water streaks on whatever sides, and it's not looking like it should look before. So I'm contemplating what to do with that. In a nutshell, should I actually just scrap this idea and just buy a new one, invest in a new one with, more better colors and stuff of that nature, because this one's been with me for a while. Also, there's a review on this as well. I did a review a year ago, to be exact, onto this water bottle, Hydro Peak water bottle. I'm gonna put the link in the description below so you could check that out. Same will go for this shoe here, which is the Puma X-ray. This is just a different colorway. This is the blue, turquoise, gray, white situation. I got two of those for a good price at the Puma store, so I couldn't really pass up on it. So those are great shoes to work out in, pretty much get your workout on, get your outfits, get it to match your outfits and stuff of that nature. So you can't really go wrong with it. It has very cool fluorescent colors, so it goes well with turquoise, blue, white, gray, green, you name it, if you have these colorways. So also, there's a review video of that shoe. I'll also put the link in the description below for that review video as well. If you're interested in getting you a pair, you'll be able to get you a pair as well off the link that I have on there for, small price or for a small cut coming from me. And these right here are my OG 720s, Nike 720s. You can't, if I can get them out of the box, you can't go wrong with these. These are actually very iconic shoes. When they came out, they were hot as fish grease, and I was able to get my hands on this gem right here. As you can see, I've worn them quite a few times, and there's the Air Max bubble in the back, the huge Air Max bubble in the back. I've worn them quite a few times. I wish I had bought one with darker color soles, so that way we wouldn't have to worry about discoloration coming on. But these are actually cool shoes, very comfortable, very awesome to wear as well. I'll be leaving the link in the description below for that particular Air Max 270C on the description below as well. And last but not least is a shoe that I'm going to be doing a review on fairly shortly. And it's been authenticated. Obviously, I got these without a box, but those were the only ones I could get my hands on. Those are actually the paint splatter, Nike paint splatter. You see the paint splatter swoosh right there. You can't really go wrong with these shoes. These are actually amazing in any way, shape, or form. So I'll be doing a review of those, and I'll see if I can find you a link, because those are actually hard to find nowadays. I don't think you could find them anywhere but StockX, to be exact. But I'll check to see where the best link I find. I'll definitely leave in the description below for this shoe as well. So that's pretty much what's coming down the pipeline as far as I'm concerned. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions. Enjoy, guys. Peace.